Hello, hola, I guess it's in Spanish. Okay, today we're gonna bake fish.
Pescado.
Pescado. More precisely, this is a salmon.
Salmón.
For that, we need potatoes.
Papas.
And for seasoning, salt,
Sal.
black pepper,
Pimienta negra.
pimienta negra, and chili pepper.
Ají colorado.
Ají colorado. Also some cumins. Cominos, garlic,
Ajo.
ajo, and of course with every fish, lemon.
Limón.
Okay, first we need to cut this fish into half because it's muy grande and we both are on a diet. Okay, for that we're gonna use this knife.
Cuchillo.
And I'm just gonna cortar el pescado.
Cortar el pescado.
El pescado, okay.
Muy bien.
Alright, and this goes back to the freezer. Okay, next we're gonna prepare the seasoning.
Vamos a preparar los condimentos.
For that we need to peel ajos.
Necesitamos pelar los ajos.
Pelar los ajos, okay. Okay, let's leave the garlic aside for a moment and let's focus on the seasoning. So we're gonna put all the condiments into the bowl.
Poner los condimentos en el pocillo.
En el pocillo. So bowl is a pocillo.
Pocillo.
Okay. Yeah, let's just do it. Okay, so everything with one teaspoon, which is cucharilla, okay.
Cucharilla.
So uno cucharilla, mix them together. Then squeeze limón.
Exprimir el
limón. Yeah, mix them together.
Mezclar. This action.
Mezclar with cucharilla.
Con la cucharilla. Cucharilla.
Okay, now it's time for the garlic. For that we're gonna use a grater. Raspador, and we're gonna grate the garlic.
Vamos a raspar. This
the
action.
here, right?
Ajo.
Now we're gonna use these scissors.
Tijera.
To cortar this volume paper.
Para cortar this papel aluminio. Papel aluminio.
Oh, we didn't actually need scissors, so that's... And now we place the foil paper
aluminio
on top of the oven plate.
Bandeja.
Okay, the fish goes on and we're gonna start the seasoning.
forgot to tell this, but if you want your fish, your salmon, hydrate, you can put oil, some teaspoons of oil, aceite en español.
Aceite, oil is aceite. Okay.
Yes. And ponemos todo el condimento over el salmón. Y con un cepillo, if you don't want to use your hands,
You can use the brush.
yes, if you don't want to. This is a brush, of course, un cepillo para untar. This action called untar. Untar.
Yeah, all the verbs we're using are in infinitive because it's easier for me until I have learned how to conjugate.
Yes. It's very important to recognize, right, a verb, infinitive and imperative. Usually to cook, to do something, make orders or command, we use imperative, but in this case we are using infinitive to make you realize the actions.
Yes.
See, we are, estamos untando in progresivo, right? Untando.
Okay, now we're gonna make the potatoes.
Hacer las papas.
Hacer las papas.
I really love garlic. I really love ajos. So I'm putting a garlic, three pieces of garlic. And then I'm gonna put oregano, means oregano in español. Oregano.
Yeah, very easy word to learn.
Yes, easy.
I always love those words.
Oregano. Especially I really love garlic with ajo con oregano, mis papas. So then I'm gonna put salt. Sal, muy bien, sal. A little bit in a bowl, right? En un pocillo.
Aceite, oil.
Aceite, oil. Very good. Oil. Algunas cucharillas.
1, 2, 3 cucharillas.
Sí, 3 cucharillas. 3 cucharillas.
And what was mixing again?
Mezclar.
Okay.
Mezclar. The action means mezclar, but in progressive you can say mezclando, mixing.
Okay.
We are mixing. Estamos mezclando.
Yeah, so we is estamos.
We are. We are. Well, don't forget the
yes.
verb to be, right? Okay.
Okay, we're gonna cook it at 200 degrees temperature for about 25 minutes. Okay, looking good, so I guess we just serve and bon appetit.
Buen provecho.
Buen provecho. Okay. Adiós, amigos.